Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to track the performance of your assets in Ton Wallet. Launch the Ton Keeper application on your device. Tap on the wallet balance to enter your wallet overview. Open the main wallet screen. You will see a summary of your assets, including total balance of Ton coins, any other tokens you may hold. To understand the performance of an asset, review your transaction history. This can usually be accessed by tapping on your history button, which is at the bottom of your screen. Some wallets offer price tracking feature. If available, check for an option to view market price for Ton coins. You can see it on the home screen here. This can help you access gain or losses over time. For more detailed analysis, consider using portfolio tracking application that supports Ton coins. If you have multiple assets, review your asset allocation to understand how much your portfolio is in Ton coins versus the other tokens. If available, enable notification for price changes or significant market movements. By following these steps, you can effectively track the performance of your asset in your Ton wallet, allowing you to make informed decisions about your investment. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.